Hi everyone, welcome to Slade Secrets YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be demonstrating how I highlight and contour my face. Okay, let me show you how good this highlight and contour looks on Snapchat. Oh my goodness. Clearly your girl was feeling herself. So anyways, there are no sponsors for this video. This video is specifically me sharing with you how I do my highlight and contour when I want to beat my face. Definitely be sure to subscribe to Slade Secrets YouTube channel. With that being said, let's get into the video. Off camera, I went ahead and did my eyebrows and applied false lashes. First, you want to apply a good foundation primer to your face. I normally use a pea-sized amount of primer, and that's usually enough to put all over my face. Then go ahead and massage the primer into your skin. I found that when you use finishing powder to set your face and then you apply your foundation, it helps your makeup last longer throughout the day. I will be using this concealer brush to apply cream concealer. The first product that I will be using to highlight and contour my face is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit. On this particular contour kit, color corrector was actually provided, so I'm going to go ahead and apply that beneath my eyelids. This orange color corrector helps block out the dark circles underneath my eyes. This product has a very thick but smooth-like consistency, so I normally only put a little bit of the color corrector beneath my eyes. Once you've added enough product, we're going to go ahead and blend it in with a damp beauty blender. Now I'm going to apply foundation all over my face. The foundation that I am using is full coverage, so I apply it in sections. I like to apply my foundation in sections because this foundation is full coverage, so I'll start by applying a little bit of foundation just to see where I'm at, just in case if I need to add more product if needed. I basically work in sections, and if I feel the section is covered, I'll move on to other sections on my face. On the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Palette, I'm going to use the second lightest color to highlight features on my face. I'm adding this cream highlight to my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my forehead, and my chin. I like this contour kit because it gives me really good coverage. Do you see how thick this product is? Oh my goodness, I love it so much. If you are a beginner and you are using this contour kit, I would definitely start with a little bit of product and then build up to your likings. I'm telling you right now, the more you add, the more you have to blend. Just saying. We're going to take that damp beauty blender and blend all of that highlight. I'm going to go ahead and let you know right now that we are about to do a lot of blending. I swear, highlight and contour, this whole process is literally mostly blending. Literally. The amount of blending that you have to do when you highlight and contour will definitely tone your arms. So you don't need an arm day at the gym. Trust me. So don't even bother going to the gym to lift weights if you're going to highlight and contour your face afterwards, okay? Alright, so after you blend your highlight to your likings, we're going to set it with powder. I will be using these two colors from BH Cosmetics Contour Palette to set the cream highlight that I applied to my face. I like to use a flat top foundation brush to apply the powder to my highlighted areas on my face. It's honestly up to you what kind of brush you like to use. It's all about preference. Back on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Palette, I'm going to use the second darkest color to begin contouring my face. Observe how I use this contour color to outline around my face. As you can see, I apply my cream contour a little bit different from what you've probably seen already. I only like to apply it this way with this particular product. These lines are like a margin to me, so applying the cream contour this way lets me see what areas I don't want to apply the contour past on my face. I know, I kind of look like Frankenstein right now, but no worries, we will go ahead and blend this out pretty soon. To blend out the contour around my face, first you will see me using an e.l.f. foundation brush, then you will see me switch to a beauty blender. In this step, you will see me switching between using the e.l.f. foundation brush and the beauty blender because the beauty blender does a better job at blending in the contour into your foundation, which essentially makes your face look more natural. The word contour means to shape, so essentially you are reshaping or resculpting your face using a color that is 2 shades darker than your natural face complexion. I like to contour my forehead, my cheeks, my jawline, as well as my chin area. I contour my forehead so that my forehead appears smaller. I contour my cheeks so that my face appears slimmer. Contour my jawline to make my jaws look smaller. And I contour my chin area because I don't want light to be drawn to it, honestly. You highlight areas on your face that you want light to be drawn to it. And on my chin, I just want a small area of light drawn to it. I don't need the whole thing shining like a disco ball, so I contour it. Just keep blending in the cream contour until you blend it to your likings. You can blend this contour using circular motion or dabbing motion. Either way works. I rotate as needed, honestly. I just do whatever gets the job done. Just keep blending, blending, blending. Just keep blending, blend, blend, blend. I know, I am very goofy for that, but I can't help it. You have to pass the time with some sort of singing because you literally spend most of your time blending. Oh my goodness. Using the remaining amount of product on my brush, I'm going to contour my chin and beneath my bottom lip so that it looks more pouty. On the BH Cosmetics Contour Palette, I used the last 3 darkest colors to help set my contour. The powder contour also helps warm up the face. Honestly, I'm not really a fan of bronzing. Right now, I only use powder contour to set my face, and it's worked just fine for me without bronzer. Smile every once in a while just to make sure that you are placing the contour in the right areas on your face. Next, I'm going to be using the lightest contour color on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit to contour my nose. I begin the contour line on the bridge of my nose and then I extend it to the end of my nose. Now I'm going to create a line that connects from my eyebrows down to the bridge of my nose. You can contour your nose to make it appear slimmer. I contour this specific area on my face to redefine my nose shape because the highlight that I applied literally makes my nose look like it doesn't have any dimension nor any definition. To To blend out my nose contour lines, I'm going to use a tapered brush. Contour your nose into the shape that you desire. To contour my nose, I only use colors that is about 1 shade darker than my natural complexion. If I use 2 shades darker, it would probably come off too harsh. Now, of course, I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend out my nose contour to help it look more natural. Once the beauty blender has removed all the harsh lines, we're going to go ahead and set the contour with the powder. Now I'm going to take the banana color on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Palette. To make our nose contour stand out, we're going to reverse contour it. To make it easier if you are just starting, I would definitely use a smaller concealer brush to reverse contour your nose. Take your time. Get that reverse contour line as straight as possible. Of course, to blend out this banana color that I just applied, I'm going to use my handy dandy beauty blender. Conveniently, on the BH Cosmetics contour palette, there is a powder shade that is called Banana, and we're going to use this powder shade to set our reverse contour. Okay, now we will reverse contour our cheek contour. If you still have areas not blended, don't worry. We are going to blend one last time, my friends. Just one last time, and it is over. Then set that reverse contour with the powder. As you can see, this process is no joke. It definitely takes time and effort. I'm going to blend everything on my face one last time before I set it with setting spray. Now we're gonna set everything with setting spray, and be sure to allow the setting spray to dry on your face before you do anything next. With a nice and dry face, I'm going to apply my blush. Your girl gotta have her shimmer and glow. I apply my shimmer to the inner corner of my eyes, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, my cheekbones, and my forehead. To wrap up this highlight and contour video, I'm going to line my lips and apply a very beautiful brown lipstick. Alright everyone, that's all that I have for today. Thank you for watching my video tutorial. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions. I did take additional pictures on Snapchat for you guys to see. Your girl over here was really feeling herself. Don't forget to subscribe to Slay Secrets YouTube channel so that you never miss another YouTube tutorial. Alright everyone, I will see you in the next video. Bye!